Hey subbies, welcome back to YouTube channel. It's a girl G channel, everything, and today I am back with another video. So before I get straight into this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, hit the notification bell so you guys, don't get left out once I post another video. Yes, so today I'm going to do a reaction to a Jamaican artist that I've never reacted to before, but today I'm going to do a reaction to one of those artists. So this artist is called Kaseeno and the song is Baby Come Over. So make sure that you comment down below what video you want me to react to next, and I'll do it for you. Because I do reaction videos from Monday to Friday, I without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Okay.
Hello?
Yeah, baby.
Yeah?
You know, tonight again, don't?
You know, it's a curfew time. Alright. Miracle.
Kaseeno, west side, baby, come over, girl, come over, come closer, we no got corona. You can
Sang about not lie, but just like in hairstyle, y'all, just God.
come closer, we no got corona.
So what do you call it?
Can't take a social distance, right? Me response. I'm not sure me you, girl. I know you alone. I feel like I'm going at this buns. Can I get me? Lock up the girl and put mask on them. Me not care where the dog wants, and me have to get me rifle clean to that. Baby, come over, girl, come over, come closer. Me no got corona. You can touch me, baby.
I just like go back, go closer, brother, corona, got touch me.
Me no got corona. Me want she's below my size, and I tell me Nadia mouth fully sanitized. Presentation, girl, win a prize. You is a pro, girl, that me some eyes. Yeah, now me got your body in a motion. The job for the lotion. How you so fat is like you get a portion. Me funny so strong, baby, come over, girl, come over, come closer, we no got corona. You can touch me, baby, come over, girl, come over, come closer, we no got corona. Me want she all say she want me can. Me say I saw you one when you're the artist apart. A convertible, you want me drop it up. Everybody see how you a deal with the star. Take off the jazz and come over. We are on the roll. You are roll a long time if you in the hole. Yeah, baby, come on.
You know what? Okay, let's just
Come closer, we no got corona. You can touch me, baby, come over, girl, come over, come closer, we no got corona. Me want
my Kaseeno. Ooh. It's the rhymes for me. And the hairstyle for me. Oh lordy. Okay. I'm gonna give that another clap. Okay, Kaseeno. Well, if you're a big fan of, Kaseeno, because I never listened to him before. I don't think he's like my type of artist to listen to, but that's why not? Just do a reaction to him. But yeah, if you remember this cartoon with this thing, girl, yeah, she fell in love with this green. I think I'll put a clip somewhere right here, a picture of it. Yeah, the ears, just the hairstyle, just like the ears, just giving that. Just bear, come over, and come closer. I'm gonna catch corona. that was a catchy one. But if you like this video, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you guys can get notified every time when I post another video. So yes. So without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.